I would imagine, if I could put a word on that, Bernard, it takes a step of courage to step out onto the edge and bring fresh ideas into some well-established patterns that are going on across the globe. Is that not true?
There are two levels of courage. The first one is when you know the truth and you know that if you tell it, you will be in trouble because others will exclude you from the community, which is done with people thinking the same way. This courage was due to the help of some colleagues, ladies, who helped me to go as far as I could as I researched with what I knew. The second level of courage is persistence, because what happens is that the drug industry in this context had organized a lot of tricks for my career being completely destroyed. And as a matter of fact, there is a resource in each of us for fighting as more as you are in difficulties. And the higher the edge, the stronger I was in order to get above. And I think this courage was due to a fight.
So when there are people out there listening to you now, and we all have different things that we're doing, what advice would you give them? If they want to make a step forward to do something special with their lives, what would you say?
Yeah, be honest with yourself and do not obey to orders as soon as you understand what is around the context which makes people telling you what to do. Be yourself.
And sometimes that's difficult to be yourself, is it not?
Well, Socrates, you know, the philosopher,
Yes,
it was, 2,500 years ago, experienced the fact that you are rejected by others when he tried first to know himself and then to be what was his philosophical conviction, you know, to be honest with himself. Then there is a community of people who are in this situation of honesty with themselves, and this is very rewarding. I could find a lot of books, a lot of poems, a lot of direct exchanges with people like here, and this is such enjoyable that I would not go back to the comfort of being like others in thinking and going in the life without waves, you know.
Well, thank you so much for sharing with us today, Bernard. I know that you've got a very busy schedule and you're moving on to do other talks and other things, and you've taken a moment out now to talk to us. So thank you very much, Bernard. It's been wonderful meeting you.
It was a pleasure
speaking.
meeting with you.
Bye-bye.
Thanks a lot.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.